Most people invest with hope. At Capnexa, we invest with clarity. This channel is built for long-term thinkers, especially those who want to understand the stock market without the hype, the noise, or the complicated jargon. If you want real-world insights, simple explanations, and data-backed frameworks that actually help you become a smarter investor, you're in the right place. And in today's video, I'm breaking down 6 major stock categories every investor should understand. What they are, how they work, and why they matter. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how each category fits into your portfolio, what role it plays, and how the smartest investors evaluate them. Let's jump in. 1. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are companies that return a portion of their profits back to shareholders in the form of regular cash payments. These stocks are ideal for investors who want steady income, stability, and long-term compounding. You'll learn the core elements that make dividend stocks reliable. Things like sustainable payout ratios, growing dividends, strong cash flow, and defensive balance sheets. 2. Growth stocks. Growth stocks are companies expanding rapidly in revenue, customers, or innovation. These are the businesses reinvesting heavily to scale, often sacrificing short-term profits for long-term expansion. You'll see what truly separates real growth companies from hype. Consistent revenue growth, improving margins, cash flow turning positive, and realistic valuations. 3. Value stocks. Value stocks are companies trading below what they're actually worth. These are often overlooked or temporarily out of favor, but financially strong underneath. You'll learn the signs of a true value play: attractive valuations, strong cash generation, efficient capital use, and businesses mispriced compared to their fundamentals. 4. Long-term investment stocks. These are companies built to survive and thrive over decades. They're not the fastest growers or the highest yielder, but they're incredibly consistent. You'll learn how to spot businesses with durable competitive advantages, stable long-term growth, predictable cash flow, low debt, and management that allocates capital wisely. 5. Best stocks to buy framework. This category isn't about guessing or gambling. It's a disciplined checklist the smartest investors use to filter high-quality opportunities. You'll understand how to evaluate earnings trends, insider activity, valuations, catalysts, and overall financial health, so you can avoid bad picks and focus on real winners. 6. AI stocks. AI is transforming every industry, but not every AI stock is worth owning. In this video, you'll learn how to separate genuine AI innovators from companies simply using AI as a buzzword. We'll break down the traits of strong AI players: relentless revenue growth, proprietary data, scalable software models, and clear competitive moats. What you'll know by the end. By the time you're done watching, you'll have a clear understanding of what each type of stock truly represents, how to evaluate them using real, practical metrics, which categories fit your investing style and goals, and how professionals use these categories to build strong, diversified portfolios. No hype, no predictions, just clarity, fundamentals, and real-world investing logic. If you care about growing your wealth with confidence and discipline, make sure you subscribe to Capnexa right now. Hit the bell so you never miss an investing breakdown built for long-term thinkers. And if you want more clarity in your investing decisions, share this video with someone who's on the same journey.